MCQs of enzymes. MCQs number 1. The biological molecules, proteins which catalyze a biochemical reaction and remain unchanged after completion of reaction are called option 1 cofactor, option B coenzyme, option C activator, option D enzymes. The correct option is option D enzymes. MCQs number 2. Which statement about enzyme is incorrect? Option A. Some of them consist solely of protein with no non-protein part. B. They catalyze a chemical reaction without being utilized. All enzymes are fibrous protein. They without their cofactor are called apoenzymes. The correct option is option C. All enzymes are fibrous protein is incorrect statement about enzymes. MCQ number 3. In which of the following location of enzyme controlling cellular respiration are present? Nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria, ribosome. The correct option is option C. Mitochondria. MCQ number 4. An activated enzyme consists of polypeptide chain and cofactor is called apoenzymes, holoenzymes, activated enzymes, both B and C. The correct option is option D, both B and C. MCQ number 5. Which one forms the raw material for coenzyme? Vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, or metals? The correct option is option A, vitamins. MCQ number 6. A cofactor made of inorganic ion which is detachable is called prosthetic group, coenzyme, activator, or cofactor. The correct option is option C, activator. नेक्स्ट MCQs पर जाने से पहले आप लोगों से गुजारिश है कि अभी तक अगर आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को दबा लें ताकि नेक्स्ट आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक इजीली पहुंच सकें. MCQ नंबर 7. Enzymes that activation energy of a chemical reaction increase, decrease, does not affect, increase or decrease depending upon individual enzymes. The correct option is option B. Enzyme decreases the activation energy of a chemical reaction. MCQ number 8. A three-dimensional cavity bearing a specific charge by which the enzyme react with its substrate is called active site, binding site, catalytic site, allosteric site. The correct option is option A, active site. MCQ number 9. Which step causes activation of catalytic site of an enzyme? Change in pH of surroundings. B. Formation of enzyme substrate complex. C. Change in charge of active site. D. Change in temperature. The correct option is option B. Formation of enzyme substrate complex is correct answer. MCQ number 10. Lock and key model was proposed by Emil Fischer, Kochland, Robin Williams, Rodolphe Virchow. The correct option is option A. Emil Fischer was proposed lock and key model. MCQ number 11. Which statement is incorrect about lock and key model? Option A. The specific enzyme can transfer into a specific substrate. B. Active site of an enzyme is non-flexible structure. C. Active site does not change before, during or even after the reaction. Option D. It explains the mechanism of every chemical reaction. Option D is incorrect about lock and key model. MCQ number 12. The rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of an enzyme. Which statement is incorrect this respect? Option A. Increase in enzyme molecules increase the available active site. This relation is for an unlimited time period with unlimited enzyme concentration. If the concentration is doubled, the rate will become twofold. The correct option is option B. This relation is for an unlimited time period with unlimited enzyme concentration. MCQs number 13. If concentration of an enzyme is kept constant and amount of substrate is increased, the point is reached where an increase in substrate concentration does not affect the reaction rate because of enzyme get denatured at high substrate concentration. The rate of reaction is indirectly proportional to the substrate concentration at this point. All the active site on enzyme molecules are occupied. The correct option is option C. All the active site of enzyme molecules are occupied. MCQs number 14. If more substrate to already occurring enzymatic reaction is added, more enzyme activity is seen because there is probably more substrate present than there is an enzyme. There is probably more enzyme available than there is a substrate. There is probably more product present than there is other substrate or enzyme. D. The enzyme substrate complex is probably failing to form during a reaction. The correct option is option B. There is probably more enzyme available than there is in substrate. MCQs number 15. If more substrate to already occurring enzymatic reaction is added and there is no effect on rate of reaction, what is the form given to this situation? Is saturated situation, denaturing situation, composition situation, or inhibition situation? The correct option is option A. It is saturation situation. MCQ number 16. The active site of an enzyme never changes, forms no chemical bond with substrate, determined by structure and specificity of enzymes. They are non-specific in their action. The correct statement is statement number 3C, determined by structure and specificity of an enzyme. MCQ number 17. Excessive increase in temperature of the medium cause the enzyme molecule to activate unaffected, denatured, none of these. The correct option is option C, denatured. MCQ number 18. The extreme change in pH result in change in ionization of amino acid at the active site of enzyme, change in ionization of substrate, denaturation of enzyme, increase in reaction rate. The correct option is option C, denaturation of the enzymes. MCQ number 19. Optimal temperature of an enzyme present in human body is 27, 37, 47, 30. The correct option is option B, 37. A chemical substance which can react in place of substrate with the enzyme but is not transferred into products and thus block the active site temporarily or permanently is called coenzyme, blocker, inhibitor, cofactor. The correct option is option C, inhibitor. MCQ number 21. Inhibitors which block enzyme by forming weak bond are called competitive inhibitor, non-competitive inhibitor, irreversible inhibitor, both A and B. The correct option is option D, both A and B. MCQ number 22. A substance which binds at active site of the enzyme but does not result in formation of the product is called irreversible inhibitor, reversible, competitive inhibitor, non-competitive inhibitor. The correct option is option C, competitive inhibitor. MCQs number 23. The structure of an enzyme is altered by irreversible inhibitor, reversible, competitive, non-competitive inhibitor. The correct option is option A, irreversible inhibitor. MCQs number 24. Malonic acid is an example of irreversible inhibitor, reversible inhibitor, competitive inhibitor, non-competitive inhibitor. The correct option is option C, competitive inhibitor. MCQs number 25. MCQs number 25. If enzyme concentration is low than substrate, pH and temperature value are equal to requirement, then which of the following will be increase the rate of reaction? Increase in the concentration of enzyme, increase in the concentration of substrate, increase in pH, increase in temperature. Correct option is option A, should increase in the concentration of enzyme.